Sila. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Azhar bin Muhammad Zadi and my matric number is B0623101123. So today my friend and I gonna talk about gerontology and the gerontechnology product that we choose is VR, virtual reality. So this is our group members, which is that's me, Zaid, Sirajuddin, Hasnawi, Ammar, Hidayat, and Haikal. Okay, this is the agenda or the thing that we're gonna explain today. Okay, so first we go to introduction. Okay, since our VR appears more futuristic than the current VR technology, so we decide to call it for the VR. Gerontechnology for the VR is an advanced version of the current VR technology, which is can provide all five sensory input, which is seeing, hearing, smelling, feeling the touch of the skin, and also tasting food like it's real. This create a virtual world which users can full dive into that particularly virtual world. Um, as which give experience a seamless and realistic experience. The when we try to compare the current VR technology can only be seen with the eyes, while our 4D VR technology allows the users to experience the virtual world through their sense. This can give them the immersive feeling in the virtual world. uh, Okay, so this is possible because of the external stimuli and a microwave signal that been transmitted to the user's brain. So next we go to how to use our 4D device. To complete a full dive session, the elderly must wear the 4D VR and lay in a comfortable position, just like when we are trying to sleep position. Safety measures include auto logout if heart rate increase and disconnection if the elderly body has been shaking really hard. Need to note that our 4DVR is safe from the radiation and the user's body will not move even an inch or wake up because only the brain works through the electromagnetic wave and not the physical body. So the next part I'm gonna pass to my friend here.
Thanks to Zaid. My name is Muhammad Haikal. My matric number is B0623100059. Today I am going to introduce about analysis of market positioning of the selected new Geron technology. We can see in the slide that shows the position of the map between our VR, which is for the VR, and the brand of other VR product. To explain the map position between price and product performance, it is important to emphasize that the strategic positioning of the product on this map. The map position shows that the high price and brand performance of the VR product is Apple Vision Pro, while the low price and performance is Pico 4. Our 4D VR is an affordable price position, but we focus on high performance. Next, VR Meta Quest Pro has a high price but low performance. Last but not least, the PlayStation VR Vision R2 is on average price and performance. The market position analysis of the first product is reasonable price VR technology for the elderly. For example, provide a summary of the significance of providing reasonable price VR technology for the elderly. This is because senior citizens don't have a fixed income every month. With affordable VR technology, senior citizens can get that new technology. The second market positioning analysis is major emphasis on user health. For example, stress the importance of consumer health as a crucial component of VR product development, particularly with regard to the elderly. This should be stressed because most senior citizens do not have a good health. This new VR technology must focus on the health of senior citizen consumers so that unwanted things happen. That's all from me. I handed this presentation to my friend to introduce the next slide. Thank you.
Thank you to Haikal. My name is Muhammad Asnawi bin Muhammad Nazir. My party number is B0632100607. I will continue analysis of marketing positioning, feature and capability. Our 4D VR feature, seeing with eyes, hearing with ears, feeling the touch of skin, smelling with the nose, tasting some food with taste. Next, our capability for the VR. Virtual travel and exploration, social connection, mental stimulation, therapeutic environments, health and wellness programs. Next, market positioning is marketing and communication. First, target audience. Elderly individuals seeking new ways to stay mentally active, socially connected, and entertained. Second, distribution channels. Collaborating with senior living community, healthcare provider, and senior center to introduce VR programs. Third, customer support. Providing accessible customer support with tutorial, guide, and responsive assistance tailored to the need of elderly users. Last but not least, testimonials and case study. Share success story and testimonials from elderly users highlight the positive impact of 4D VR on their life. That's all for me.
Thank you, Asnawi. My name is Ahmad Daniel bin Muhammad Zawawi, and my matrix number is B0623101157. And my presentation, for my presentation, I will explain for piece. Our 4D VR are more realistic than others. It make the user go into dream state like world where the user feels sense of touch. To use the VR for the VR, the user must rest in a position that comfortable and start the 4D VR. They can apply this technology in Gerontechnology. It can improve engagement of patient with their physician and improve relationship with their loved ones that are far away from them, which improve mental health that is often ignored. Our product will be more realistic than others in the market. Promotion. We develop comprehensive marketing campaigns to create awareness about our products. Uh, this may involve digital marketing, social media campaigns, and traditional advertising methods. Okay, I pass to Safri Dayat.
My name is Safirul Hidayat bin Cemae, and my metric number is B0623100201. And I will explain price and place. For price, we use cost-based pricing to set the price of our 4D VR. By doing this, by using cost-based pricing, we make sure the price is reasonable for all the people to buy the VR. For place, uh, we choose retail location that are easily accessible and comfortable for all the individual. The store must have a clear sign, comfortable seating, and enough space for other people who might use walker or wheelchair. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next I want to explain about analysis of strategic marketing strategy for our product for the VR. Okay, this strategy has four elements: is segmentation, targeting, positioning, and differentiation. Okay, first I will be explain about the segmentation. Okay, next. Okay, segmentation. Market segmentation requires dividing a market into smaller segments with distinct needs, characteristic, or behavior that might require separate marketing strategy or mix. Effective segmentation in the context of virtual reality in gerontology acknowledge the diversity with the elder population. The segmentation may consist of the people with different type of cognitive ability, physical health and condition, and VR experience prefer. So, our product segmentation to the aging population with a stable income to get our product. Younger generation also can experience for our product VR come with new technology compared to our rival is VR Apple promotion. For example, for DVR come with what we call 5 cents to get more realistic feeling. Okay, for the target, a target market is a set of buyer who share common need or characteristic that the company decide to serve. Our product target to the aging population to solve their problem. For example, aging can decrease communication gap by the communicating with their children or friends only online using our product. And next, positioning. Our product position is the way the product is defined by consumer on input attribute. We position our product as a tech that offer innovate and use-friendly for the elder. For example, for DVR has a new feature as an emergency stop button for decreased accident to aging people currently using the 4D VR compared to other VR. And last but not least, differentiation. In order to definition a product or service for our competitor, a unique selling point must be developed. For example, for DVR need to wear and lay back to get the comfort position. The body will not move a take from the full dive unless some has been shaking. The use body really hard will be auto lock up. Or if the user experience an increase in heart rate, it also lead to disconnect for safety measure. Okay, this all for me.
Okay, back to me again. Thank you, Sira. So the last part, which is summary. Okay, our topic talk about the potential of 4D VR, the potential of our device, which is an enhanced form of the virtual reality, to meet the need of the aging population. It highlights the market positioning of this technology and that also emphasizing its unique requirement and abilities. The report also discuss the marketing mix of our 4D VR device, which is focusing on the 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion. It also discuss the strategic marketing plan that include differentiation, positioning, targeting, and segmentation. Okay, to this is to differentiate the our product from the competitor and cater to specific market segment. Uh, the report also emphasized the importance of comfort and safety in VR experience. It also the importance of delivering a strong message about our product feature that offering a unique range of VR experience. That's all from our group, Group 7. And thank you for spending your precious time with us. Bye.